Welcome back. Now we are going to talk about multiplication and division. Here are some rules. When you multiply two positives, result is a positive. When you multiply two negatives, result is positive. When you have a positive and a negative, the product is negative. When you have negative and a positive, the product is negative. So what are we saying? We are saying positive times positive is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. So same sign, when you multiply, you get positive. Opposite signs, when you multiply, you get negative. The same result holds true for division. Positive division positive is positive. Positive division negative is negative. Negative division positive is negative. Negative division negative is positive. Okay, so that's what. Different signs, result is negative. Same signs, be it both positive or both negative, result is positive. So those are the basic rules for multiplication and division. So now we are ready to work with examples. What is negative 100 divided by negative 4? Well, negative divided by negative is going to be positive. 100 divided by 4 is going to be 25. Okay. What is 7 times 6? Well, they are both positive, so it's a positive. 7 times 6 is 42. What is 4 nothing parentheses negative 8? When there is nothing between a number and parentheses, it's multiplication. So it is 4 times negative 8. Well, positive times negative is a negative. 4 times 8 is 32. Next, what is negative 27 divided by 3? Negative 27 divided by 3. Well, negative divided by positive is negative. 27 divided by 3 is a 9. So answer is negative 9. A few more examples. Multiply or divide. A. Negative 115 divided by negative 5. So notice, negative divided by negative is a positive. 115 divided by 5, it is 23. B. 5 times 12. They are both positive, so answer is positive. 5 times 12 is 60. Next, 9 parentheses negative 7. There is no symbol here. It means it is 9 multiplied by negative 7. Well, positive times negative is a negative. 9 times 7 is a 63. Next, Negative 63 divided by positive 7. Negative divided by positive is a negative. 63 divided by 7 is a 9. Answer is negative 9. Another set of problems. A. Negative 117 divided by negative 3. Well, negative divided by negative is a positive. 117 divided by 3. This will take some calculation by hand, but you can do this division. 3 goes in 11 3 times. 2 is the remainder, 27. So that's a 9. 39. Next, 3 times 13. So they are both positive, so it's a positive 39. C. 7 parenthesis negative 4. This is same as 7 times parenthesis negative 4. Positive times negative is negative 28. D. Negative 42 divided by 6. Well, negative over a positive is a negative. 42 over a 6 is a 7. Multiplication by negative 1 changes sign. That's all. Okay. Now let's simplify a few things. Exponents. A. Parenthesis negative 2 power 4. What this means is, see, power applies to whatever is closest to it. So 4 times the parenthesis is going to show up. Okay? 4 applies to the parenthesis. So the parenthesis repeats. What's inside the parenthesis? Well, negative 2. All right. Now there is no symbol in between. It just means multiplication. That's what exponent means. Exponent means repeated multiplication. Negative times negative is a positive. Negative times negative is a positive. In all, you are going to get a positive. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Final answer is 16. Look at B. Negative 2 power 4. So notice there is no parenthesis. You see the difference between here and here. No parenthesis. What does that mean? That means the negative stays put. What is closest to 4? 2. Only 2 repeats. Okay. So there is one negative overall. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Only one negative, so it survives. Let's try these. A. With parenthesis, negative 3 power 4. What does that mean? It means parentheses is being multiplied to itself. Inside the parenthesis is negative 3. There are 4 negatives, so it's a positive. Now 3 times 3 6, 3 times 3 9, times 3 27, times 3 is 81. Negative 3 power 4. This is, well, power applies to 3 alone because there is 3 is closest to 4. So only 3 repeats. Overall negative. 3 times 3 9 times 3 27 times 3 81. Next. Parenthesis negative 7 power 2. This is parentheses times parentheses. Power 2 is closest to the parentheses, so parentheses repeats. What's inside is negative 7. So this is negative times negative is a positive. 7 times 7 is a 49. Next, negative 7 power 2. Negative 7 repeats. So it's a negative 49. Since there is only one negative, it survives. Okay? Let's simplify this expression. Maybe let's continue simplification in our next video. Okay?